Velocity of particles per second.
So we are here to calculate the acceleration. Very simple. Equation is for more equation of motions. I hope you know that in equation of motion you have 4 formula assigned for that. You can tell me. V is equal to what? U plus AT. I hope you know that one. You also know the one of what? S is equal to what? UT plus half AT square. You also know that one. And also know the one of what? V square is equal to U square plus 2AS. Forgotten. Okay, but let's solve this question now. Who can tell me the definition of acceleration? Acceleration says what? Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity with respect to time. What do I say? Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity with what? Respect to those definitions, you must know it. But physics is all about once you know how to define, you should be able to know. Once you know how to prove, you're able to see the definition of that particular parameters. Very simple. This is not about cramming. No, it doesn't deal with cramming. Once you know a particular ways of deriving a formula, then you should be able to know how to state the word definitions. So that's all about it. Now, but this question says that it can't start from a rest. So it means that will be is at initial, is at rest. So you are going to let the word the u to be equal to. Know that in u and v, the difference is that u is what? Initial velocity. And the v is what? Final velocity. I hope you know that. Both are mentioned, both are in what? In meter per second. Yes, signs are what? Meter per second. But acceleration is in what? Meter per second square. Are you with me? Now, the first thing I'm going to do here when you see a question in physics, no especially in physics, or anything that have to do calculation, you write out the parameters out. From there, you know the formula that we use. Now, it can't start from the rest. It can't start from the rest. It was initial at what? Is 0. So it means that u will be equal to what? Is 0. Are you with me, students? Yes. So a velocity of what? 30, and that v is what? 30 meter per second. So in here, in 10 seconds. In what? 10 seconds. So 10 seconds here means that what? T is what? 10 seconds. That is time. Now calculate is what? Acceleration. So if you look at it, which formula is best for us to use here? Very simple. You can use the first equation of motion, which says that what? V is equal to U plus AT. We are looking for what? This A, isn't it? And also it's being originated from what? A is equal to V minus U all over what? T. You can also use this one to either of the two. Because when you cross multiply, you make B inside the formula, you're going to have what? This. Are you with me? So which one should we use now? Should we use this one? Okay, let's use this one because we are looking for what? A. So now we have what? A is equal to our V is what? 30 minus 0. Yeah, let's enclose it. The unit minus what? 0. And 0 is meter per second square too. But just leave that one. 10 is what? Sorry, time rather is 10 seconds. That will be 10 seconds. So in that case, you are going to be having A to be equal to what? 30 minus 0 is what? That will be 30 meter per second over what? 10 seconds. Are you with me? So now, 30 divided by 10 give us what? That will be 3. So our unit will now be what? You know, you have meter per second here. Over what? Over second. So that will be what? Meter per second square. So that's actually what it means. So you have, okay, you can just look at it like this. Meter per second divided by what? X. Isn't it? So now we have what? If this one is going on, we change to what? That what? Meter. It will not cancel out to meter per. You have all over X. Then this one is going, there's invisible of 1 here. Okay, don't worry about this. So our final answer is what? 3 meters.